See these guys right here? Right there. See, there they are, right there. When I came out the bank, they did an immediate U-turn, came around and looked at me. Then they watched me come into Vaughn's parking lot, which my house is right across the street. And then they've been doing U-turns ever since I came into Vaughn's parking lot. I've actually seen them sit right above Vaughn's parking lot while I've been in Vaughn's. I've come home and then have my drain all clogged up. My main drain clogged up from the garage and the water backed up from my toilet. And it's like a 6-inch access. You just unscrew it and you could stick anything you want down there. So I had to pay a lot of money to a plumber to come snake my drain. There they are, right there. I can't make my there, but you could hear them. You can hear them on my phone.